What's up, y'all? Got a little Mustang for you. I know every time I've had a few of you say, oh, you guys do all these crazy builds, but what about for the regular guy? This one's for the regular guy. 2019 Mustang GT. All we did is a couple bolt-ons so you can buy it yourself. You can do this at home. Put on your cold air intake. It's going to be a little hard to do with LongTubeHeaders, but you might have access at home. Get it done. So in this video, the 19 with JLT intake, the LongTubeHeaders, and the Borla Cat-Back, when you put it together with Manny's tune, it came out phenomenal. Manny's got those shift points set up. He's got basically squeezed every bit of power we can on it, and you'll see the results. The before and after results are great. We'll have those up in the dyno, and I'm also going to do the driving part of it, so you can see the before and after. This is the first time I drive in a car and talk to myself, so give me a break on this one. I'm not used to talking to myself. I'm not part of the funny farm, so it's pretty difficult. But either way, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Down on the link below, we're going to have down, just get on our website, click on the link, and you can get the exact parts that we used on this build, so you can get the exact same results. It gives you an idea. Hopefully you can get it done at home. If you can't get it done at home, you can order the parts from us, get it installed at your local shop, or we can install it for you here at our local shop and get it tuned for you. As usual, I hope you enjoy this video. I'll have another video coming up soon. Hopefully it's a bigger build. Let me know what you guys want to see, what kind of cars, what kind of builds you want to see. We do Camaros, Corvettes, Mustangs, all kinds of stuff. So let me know what you want to see next, and I can possibly put it up. All right, guys, have a good day. See you next time. What's up, guys? This is a 19 that we just put on the dyno. Pretty excited to get these numbers to you because it's basically bolt-on 1920s. A lot of you guys buy this stuff. A lot of the times they're bone stock, and you're wondering what kind of bolt-ons can we do. These are like the first bolt-ons you can do to your vehicle. You got the cold air kit, and you got LongTubeHeaders. The LongTubeHeaders we decided on were the American Racing. Everybody's got their preference. They all make about the same. It's mostly on the quality and the fitment. These seems to fit real good. They come right in. None of them are going to be easy. If you're doing it at home, it's probably going to take you 10 to 12 hours. You don't have a lift. It makes it a lot more difficult. With the lift and everything, it still takes us a good 6 hours. What I would recommend to you guys, we don't use the gaskets. That's going to save you a lot of time. We use stock gaskets. So whatever gaskets any of these headers companies give you, don't use them. We don't like using them. 9 out of 10 times they seem to leak for some reason. So go with the stock gasket. Anyway, what we're going to do with this, we got this pretty much off. We're going to take it off. We're going to put our air filter on here. The air filter is going to replace the box and everything here. It's a nice air filter. A lot of you probably seen it. It's JLT made. JLT's made great intakes for a long time. We've seen it pick up power, especially with long tubes and exhaust, and Manny tuning it. Anyway, let us get back to work on this one so we can get the temperatures actually about the same when we dyno tune them. The reason we want to get the temperature right is we don't want to bullshit you and tell you, hey, look, we made this kind of power. Now it's 40 degrees cooler and it shows it made a little bit more. We want to get the temperatures almost exactly the same. Anyway, see you guys soon. All right, guys, in the car now. So we finally got it completed. Oh man, it definitely sounds a lot better. All right, guys, well, you saw I started. I finally got on the road. Had to go through a couple of these streets. You know, our neighborhood is close to a neighborhood, and our shop is close to a neighborhood. And I didn't want to be speeding through there. Man, he's got a couple tickets. It's not a big neighborhood per se, it's a warehouse district, but still, I'm gonna try not to get myself a ticket. And we're back in this car, the one I told you about. We're doing the headers and cold air kit and everything else on it. So after driving this, I drove it the first time. I wish it would have had the video for it, but these GoPros, for some reason, there's a couple different GoPros that are having problems, and we can't get these things to work even though we've done the updates. But either way, we'll just do the video afterwards. So what happened was, we got the headers on, we got the cold air kit on. You can see how it shifts through the gears. Whew, boy, she's running good. It always surprised me, these Mustangs run so freaking good from factory. And just doing bolt-ons, a cold air kit, and manually tuning it, it's such a difference. I can't believe how much it picks up. I know some of you are saying, oh, it's only 470 something horsepower, but that is 470 something through a 10-speed transmission and to the wheels. It makes a huge difference. This 10-speed transmission, if you tune it right, set the shift points right, it just shifts like a dream. I mean, I know some of you like the stick shift and everything, and I like it. But this car with 470 horsepower, you run your average Cobra, you run one of these cars with a 6-speed, you know, stick shift, automatic, whatever you want to have. This car could give it a hurting or a scaring because the way it hooks up. It's such a badass car. But like we were talking about, the American Racing headers is what we put on this, the JLT intake. We do carry all brands of headers. We're going to have the American Racing headers. Check it out on our website. We're going to have a link there for some of you who might want to do it. Some of you have a Mustang and you want to see what simple bolt-ons did. This is what simple bolt-ons. That's just tune, JLT intake, American Racing headers, and Borla axle back. All that. Not a huge combo. Compared to back in the day and get your car running, you could run with a lot of street cars the way this thing hooks up, like I said earlier, but I think it's a great package. There's differences though, guys. Don't go out there and waste your money. Go buy yourself some headers. Go do this if you're thinking of doing a turbo later. All that's going to do is waste money. At the end of the day, you're not going to be able to use the headers. You're not going to be able to use the exhaust probably. Cold air kit, you're probably not going to be able to use that anyway. So you might as well save up, get yourself the little turbo, and that'll work out better for you. You save money in the long run, so you're not doing stuff twice. It's just not worth it to put on some headers and then take them off when you got to do a turbo kit. So I would plan on how you're going to do these bolt-ons. This is just the first stage. But if you're somebody who wants to do, you know, you're thinking of going supercharger, you want to go with a Whipple, Pro Charger, Kenny Bell, whatever you want to put on, Vortec, we carry them all. So you decide you want to go with a blower. Now the headers, you'll be able to utilize them, and it won't make such a big difference, you know, but because you're not going to lose a crap ton of money. These headers aren't cheap. A lot of these brands are north of $1,000. I think he's gonna love it. This is simple bolt-ons. This is his first Mustang. It's a 2019. You know, you buy yourself a Mustang, you put these little bolt-ons on and get it going. Boy, you got yourself a little hot rod. This thing is fun. Even if this is good enough for you, you're a guy who just stage one is good enough. Sounds great, runs great. The tune came out awesome. Shifts excellent. Any of you guys thinking about doing this, get her done. We can ship you this stuff, drop ship it to your house. Check our website, hppracing.com. We'll have the link to the mods we did on this car, and I think we're going to start doing that from now on all the builds. We're going to put the links up there so you can see exactly the parts that we bought and used on that vehicle. But anyway, guys, I'm taking this car back to the shop. Call the customer, let them know it's ready. And hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.